we doing?
Just walking around the marina in Sarasota, Florida.
And we never really got back to this pocket over here, at least not for a video. And you can see over here there's like a park and stuff, a lot going along the water. Over there-ish, there's the kissing soldier statue, which everyone kind of knows Sarasota.
Just take them there.
We will take them there. See in the water here, maybe see some little fishes. And yeah, it's just
Playground over here on the left.
nice little vibe. There was, we'll show you too in a second, like a cruise boat thing, but it's parked, and it seems like you can get like food and stuff like there when they are parked. Use it as almost like a restaurant, basically. Almost like a food truck boat.
Was it?
It's a food boat.
I don't think so. I think they were just waiting for
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't know. It seemed.
for people to get out.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'm mistaken on that. I kind of got the impression that you could just go and eat on it while it's parked even, maybe. That's kind of a good idea though, if you think about it. That's a business idea. Have it like a cruise boat, but then you also use it as like a food truck almost when it's parked. It's like a fountain or something over here.
They have banyan trees here too.
Mm-hmm. Definitely a cool area with all the, water, obviously, the trees, the parky area, and then also then you get all the more that city feel with the big buildings. Nice combination.
That's cool. You can see all the boats and the condos.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, some pretty big ones here too. And just to give you guys some idea, like condos in like the downtown area, they're not gonna be cheap. They're bare minimum.
Million.
Yeah, I was gonna say, bare minimum probably 500,000 for something really small, like a 1-1 probably. Just depends, I guess, on exactly where we're talking. But 1 million would not be out of the question, and definitely upwards is a possibility. But it puts you right in walking distance of a lot of things, which, that could be a great way to go. You don't really need to use a car much. You just walk around to like this park. You got a Whole Foods nearby. You got all the downtown restaurants. This is cool.
And bars.
And bars.
Sarasota has bars.
Yep. This is really
Back there, that takes you to like St. Armand's Circle.
Oh, yep.
Because I remember all those condos.
Yep. Oh, it's almost like a little beach here.
Yeah. Wow.
We never really came back this far into this park area by the marina. Yeah, this is awesome. A lot of seashells. Beautiful views. Look at all the boats out there. It's Easter Sunday. They're just chilling and having their brunch on the boat. Me neither. Some amazing vibes. Beautiful scenery.
The breeze is really nice. The sunshine.
Yeah, the weather's perfect. A little warm unless you're in the shade. It's like, probably like 85 right now. And a little humid, not too unbearably humid.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
But yeah, with that breeze and then the occasional shade from the trees, it's pretty much perfect. Can't ask for much more. Fishing. We'll wrap around here to get another angle of that playground area back over there. Where's my finger? There it is. I can think of worse places to take a walk, huh?
Yeah. Like in winter in Wisconsin, taking our dogs out for a walk.
Mm-hmm.
If you're watching this, you know who you are.
Yes. Do not miss the cold and snow. And also worth noting, actually, because This is kind of like Easter's kind of like a big day for Florida, especially like the Southwest. Well, I think all of Florida, but Southwest Florida for sure, because it's right around this time of year where a lot of people start heading back north, and traffic kind of slows down because it's getting warmer there, and so here it's getting hotter, probably hotter than some people want, and it's warm enough where they're from, and so they go back home.
And traffic dies down quite a bit.
Yes, it makes it a lot easier to get around. I mean, just this morning on the way towards Sarasota, we were like commenting on how it was like a ghost town almost. I mean, granted, I think a lot of people were, you know, doing Easter stuff too. So, you know, at church or whatever. So it was like early, it was like around noon when we left. So I'm sure a few people were still at church and stuff. But actually, before we go over here, let's get you a little closer view of this. It seems like this might be a splash pad actually, but it's not on. Or was a splash pad maybe? Can't tell for sure.
And this is super close to the downtown as well.
Yeah, literally like right across the street from basically downtown. Cocktails Paradise. And get some beverages. Notice I didn't say a beverage. O'Leary's Tiki Bar and Grill. Cocktails in Paradise. They have restroom facilities. Actually cool, you got some seating more out on the water too. That's kind of neato.
And that's the cruise you were saying in that.
Yep. Food, cocktails, entertainment. That's why, see, it's...
Yeah, but that's the thing though.
Well, I know to do it on, like, on the cruise, but they should also do it as, like, oh, well, in between, we're just gonna have it, like, almost like sit here like a food truck, but kind of a restaurant, because there's actually seating. I just think that's a genius idea. If it, I'm sure someone's doing it. But I'll still take credit and say I invented it. One thing I like about this Bayfront area is some of the nice little touches with the different designs and styles and colors of the brick. Yeah, it's a nice touch. Gives it its character, kind of its own look. Nothing else looks quite like this little Bayfront area in Sarasota.
Shells.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that. Seashells. Good eye. To the left up here. Here's going to be your statue shot. We're approaching it at the moment. There's a good shot of his butt. What are you doing? TikTok video stuff?
Yes.
So, if you're looking to move to the Sarasota area,
Call, text, or email me. I am a local realtor here in the Venice, Sarasota area. My information will be in the description box below.
if you want to see more about Sarasota, check out the playlist right here and live breezy.